Time is a common measure for everyone and it belongs to all. However, there is a significant difference in how individuals utilize their time. Humans are the sole owners of their time and have the ability to manage and plan it effectively. If we ponder deeply, we'll realize that time is irreplaceable. It's a precious commodity that cannot be regained. You may have $1 today and $10 tomorrow, but how much time do you truly possess in your day? Most people believe they have 24 hours, but that's not always the case. You could live only 8 hours of your day and then die, making your day only 8 hours long. Imagine I gave you $50 today, and you spent 20 of them. When you wake up the next morning, you'll have $30 left, which you can either earn more of or spend those 30. Now, imagine I gave you 24 hours, and you only used 6 of them productively. At the end of the day, I won't just take back those 6 hours. I'll take the entire 24 hours. It doesn't matter if you didn't utilize the remaining 18 hours from the previous day. The next day, I'll give you another 24 hours. Don't mistake it. You won't have 42 hours because I won't add the unused hours from the previous day. If you're wise, you'll understand that the 24 hours I give you are unique, and if you don't use them wisely, I'll take them away from you. Time is given to you once, and you must make the most of it. You can never know what the future holds. Your circumstances can change in a month, a week, or even an hour. Don't underestimate time. Today, you may be broke, but you might have some money after a month. Your wife may die or a divorce may occur, but you can always find another partner. You can replace almost everything, but time is irreplaceable. You can't buy it, borrow it, or retrieve it once it's gone. The rich, the poor, the well-educated, athletes, and even janitors all have the same amount of time, 24 hours a day. Some people know how to make the most of these hours, while others constantly complain about not having enough time. Most people in the world pursue their money, looking for ways to invest and earn more. They read about money-making strategies and fear someone stealing their wealth, but they don't fear having their time stolen. The truth is that time is the most valuable thing you own, not money. Wise people always feel the passage of time and understand its value. Imagine living for 90 years. You'll have nearly 4,700 weeks.